I'm in Santa Elena Canyon in Big Bend National Park. On the left side here, pointing in that direction, is Big Bend National Park in Texas, and on this side of the Rio Grande is the Santa Elena Protected Area in Chihuahua, Mexico.
On December 12, 1992, I left my job in Big Bend National Park in Texas for one reason and one reason only. I knew that if I was going to make a difference in protecting the park, I would need to move to a city where I could share my passion for conservation with larger numbers of people. During the summer of 1978, when I was working as a ranger, my friend and fellow classmate Roy McBride invited me to his ranch in Alpine. Roy was a government trapper and was hired to capture the last Mexican wolves in Chihuahua and Durango, Mexico, before they went extinct in the wild. Little did I know how my life would change after seeing this lone wolf that would eventually become one of the founders for a new species survival plan. Today, I'm more convinced than ever that we can make room for the return of the wolf in Texas. A new Sierra Club conservation initiative has resulted in over 15,000 letters and petition signatures asking the state of Texas to take action. With our help, this iconic species, often called El Lobo, can resume its role as an apex predator in the Chihuahuan Desert.